Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel. In this installment, we look at pack number 8 for the Deagostini Collection's American Cars collection. Let's get started. And welcome back. In this installment of the American Cars collection, pack number 8, I received 4 more cars. Cars number 27 through 30. And you can see I received the Plymouth Road Runner from 1970. The Oldsmobile Toronado, 1966. AMC REBEL, the Machine, 1970. And lastly, the Buick Grand National from 1987. Let me put these aside and we'll look at the magazines here real quick. And the first magazine from car number 27 is the Plymouth Road Runner. And these magazines are fantastic. They are around 12 to 13 pages, front to back. Semi-gloss paper, very nice articles here. A lot of research was done by Deagostini for these. Great photography. And you can see here, just packed full of information. They do give us a technical sheet for that particular car. Plymouth and its original concept cars. The Bench Boys and the Hot Rod Rock. Continuing on with that. And lastly, they always give us an article of what was happening the 1st of May 1970, the invasion of Cambodia. And the other cars. Let's look at the magazine for car 28, the Oldsmobile Toronado from 1966. Here's the beauty shot from that technical sheet. Very nice. And car number 29, AMC REBEL, the Machine, and that's a really cool paint job on that. Very cool. There's the beauty shot of that in the middle. And lastly, car number 30, the Buick Grand National from 1987. I always wanted one of those. And here's the technical sheet for that. So if you want to look at these magazines, you'll have to subscribe to this yourself. They are fantastic and they are well worth what you get with these cars. Now, I did receive a free gift this month. And just take note that the free gifts do vary. So you'll need to head over to Deagostini Collectibles to see what free gifts you'll receive when you subscribe to this collection. And like I said, they can vary. This is the one I received this time. It's another 143rd Diecast car. And it is the Shelby Cobra 427 from 1965. And that's beautiful. Very nice. The iconic paint job that they put on those cars. Let me cut the tape off. And I showed you in a previous installment how to remove the tape cleanly without doing any damage to the plastic. But let's get a closer look here. And you can see, very nice. Boy, how I would love to have one of these. Very cool. Very nice. Black interior. Wow. Okay. Let's look at the cars now. And here's the Plymouth Road Runner from 1970. And the background looks like rural America. Very cool there. Let me go ahead and take this out and we'll get a closer look. Okay. And there it is. You got the beautiful orange finish. The graphics is fantastic on this. Let me get a little closer. And you can just see the striping there. Just like it was on the real car. Black stripe on the hood. Wiper blades. The blue California plates. The wheels perfectly match what were on those cars back in the day. And dual exhaust in the back. Iconic Roadrunner taillights. Very nice. Black interior. That's a nice one. It's going to really look nice on the shelf. Let's get the next car. Here's the next car, Oldsmobile Toronado, 1966. Background looks like it's the West Coast, maybe up in Oregon. Let's take the cover off. And here's a close-up of that. Very nice gold colored car. Black interior. Love the hood design on that. Hidden headlights. Here's the other side. There's the top of the car. Kind of a light gold metallic flake. And dual exhaust in the back. Very nice. Alright, let's look at the next car. And the next car is the AMC REBEL, the machine from 1970. Look at the paint job on that. That's fantastic. Looks like we go back to the East Coast here with the background there. Looks like maybe somewhere in New England. Very nice. Let's take it out of the box. Alright, remove the cover here. And there you go. Beautiful graphics on this one. I love it. AMC REBEL. Of course, the AMC cars have not been around for a long time. So definitely would be a highly sought after collectible. Love the hood scoops on that. Love the stance of that car. Just perfect graphics on that. Really looks nice. Let's look at the top. Very nice. Metallic. Striping on the hood with a silver stripe in the middle. Look at the back end. This just happens to have the dual exhaust also. Little dust there, take the dust off, but that looks great. I love it. Fantastic. Let's look at the last one. And the last one is the Buick Grand National from 1987. I had a 1987 Buick Regal, and it was nothing like this car. The body, pretty much looked the same. It was a V6 with a 231 in it, so little family car. Loved it, had a nice ride to it, and wish I had the Grand National. That's, this was Buick's answer for NASCAR, and they definitely raced these cars during that NASCAR season. most notably Miller Brewing Company sponsored the car in the NASCAR season. Iconic white and red cars. But there it is. The black Buick Grand National. Had the cowl inducted hood. Had a screaming motor in there, a lot of horsepower. This car, brand new, ran $26,000. It was way above my pay grade. I was in the Air Force at the time. I could not afford this car as an airman. There's the inside. I love the light gray interior and black accents on the seats. You can kind of see that. And that's just what they had. Fantastic. Okay. And I forgot to mention, the background shows Welcome to New Mexico, the land of enchantment. Actually saying, well, you are leaving New Mexico. So there you go. I've seen that sign a whole lot because I used to live in Albuquerque for a few years. So there you go. I'll be right back with all the cars and give you a review. And there you go. That was a review of the Deagostini Collection's American Cars, pack number 8. And all these cars are in 1/43rd scale. They're all die-cast. Beautifully rendered to the real thing. And as you can see, we received the Plymouth Road Runner 1970, the AMC REBEL, the Machine 1970, the Buick Grand National from 1987, and the Oldsmobile Toronado or Tornado from 1966. If you haven't done so already, head over to Deagostini Collectibles and subscribe to this collection today. I put a promo code in the link down below. If you like my content, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy modeling everybody, and take care.